friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by Glamour Ellen. It is her very first collaboration and I really wanted to participate. Ellen, I am so sorry it's late. I have been really busy, but I did want to participate in your first collaboration, and her co-host is Tammy from Me, Myself, and I Am DIYing, and is the Hollywood Glam Tablescape. So I decided to go ahead and put a tablescape on my coffee bar. I do this quite often, especially on those times when I don't want to change my dining room table, which is still set up for the summer. So the theme is Hollywood Glam, and what I wanted to go for was a Hollywood Glam from the 1920s, like an Art Deco. So this is the tablescape that I have put together. I am using these sparkly candle holders that I picked up. They actually came from Ross. These are two different candle holders. You've seen these many times before. I use them quite a bit, and I have just set them on top of these really tall candle holders that I picked up from Ross, I think in my last haul. And if you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box for you. I am using my, I don't know what these are called, but I love them. They look so modern and elegant to me, the way they droop over, and I wanted to use them on this tablescape. I also wanted to use my DIY placemats that I made using Totally Dazzled products. I absolutely love them, how they came together, and it's giving me that glam and sparkle that I need for my tablescape. I am using a Dollar Tree plate. I was very surprised when I saw Dollar Tree come out with these really shiny plates. I mean, they look like something you would get at Pier 1 or Z Gallery. I absolutely love them, and they were $1, so you really cannot beat that. I have paired it with a coastal plate. It is glam and shimmery. I picked these up from Z Gallery. They were on clearance, and I thought they gave the sparkle and shine that I needed for this tablescape. I have paired it with a black napkin. Again, I'm going for the 1920s Art Deco look. And I am using a napkin ring also from Z Gallery. The wine glasses, one is from Pier 1. The other one is a DIY. It's not really a glass you can drink out of, but it is a glass that I picked up from Goodwill that I spray painted black. I absolutely loved it. I used it on a tablescape for Halloween a couple of years ago. So again, I'm going for the Art Deco theme, and I thought this would be perfect. And because I am going for the Hollywood Glam, of course, I am using my lucite silverware. So this is the place setting, and I absolutely love how it looks. And I am mirroring the same place setting on this side. So I want to thank Ellen for hosting this Hollywood Glam tablescape. I absolutely love participating. I hope you like it, Ellen. It's not as elaborate as the ones you put together. I do love everything you do. You go all out, and I greatly appreciate that. You give us such great inspiration, and I hope my little tablescape gives you a little bit of inspiration as well. I also want to thank Tammy for being her co-host. I love everything Tammy does. She does a bunch of DIYs. Also Glam, just love everything she does. She thinks outside the box, which is one of my mottos. So I will leave a link for these ladies' channels in the description box down below, as well as a link of the playlist. So I hope you like the Tablescape. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I like it. I think it's really pretty. I think I'll leave it up for a little bit. So again, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed and you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you like as well, please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.